Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize Flow Launcher step by step. A Flow Launcher comes with plenty of customization options that let you personalize its appearance, keyboard shortcuts, search behavior, and plugins to better match your workflow. So let's get started. First, open Flow Launcher on your Windows computer using its default keyboard shortcut or launch it from the Start menu. Once the launcher appears, open the Settings menu by clicking the Settings icon. This is where you'll find all of the available customization options. Next, explore the General settings. Here you can change the activation shortcut, choose whether Flow Launcher starts automatically when Windows boots, adjust the launcher window position, and configure other basic preferences. Yeah, these settings help make the launcher more convenient for everyday use. Now, switch to the Appearance section. You can customize the theme, adjust the window size, change fonts if supported, and modify other visual settings to create a look that fits your personal style. I mean, you can preview most changes immediately without restarting the application. After that, visit the Plugins section. Enable or disable plugins based on your needs, change their settings, and rearrange plugin priorities so your most frequently used results appear first. You can even install additional plugins to expand Flow Launcher's capabilities. Once you've finished making your changes, simply close the settings window. Flow Launcher automatically saves most preferences, so your customizations will be applied right away. Feel free to test the launcher and make additional adjustments until everything works exactly the way you want, and that's it. You now know how to customize Flow Launcher and tailor it to your own workflow and preferences. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.